How to fix Windows Defender error code 0x80240438, the definition updates could not be installed. To fix Windows Defender error code 0x80240438, the definition updates could not be installed. Try 1. Restart internet device, such as your home router. 2. Temporarily disable third-party antivirus/firewall, if any. 3. Update Microsoft Defender via command prompt, command, %program files %\Windows Defender \mpcmvrun.exe signature update, or PowerShell, update signature update source internal definition update server Microsoft update server MMPC file shares, as admin. 4. Manually download and install latest Windows Defender definitions.